So, these people having, they are avid, or maybe they are involved into addictions like, gutka, smoking, alcohol. Okay, and they have
Yeah.
yellowish tinge and even the brown lines, especially internally. And if, people are really,
Mhm.
especially I think this happens with gutka lovers.
Mhm.
If they have it more often, okay, then they have this tinge, that yellow brown tinge. Okay, so is there any way to get rid of it, or what can a person like do, like still have good cars and their addiction continue, and not have such stains? Is that possible?
We have patients who get their teeth professionally cleaned every quarter. In fact, I am so much against tobacco and different forms of tobacco, having seen so many cancer patients, oral cancer patients, that in my clinic we tell them if you drop the habit, and if I can make sure that in 3 months you've not got back to the habit, I give one full session of tooth whitening free.
Oh wow, so
So
that's a
that's like
huge
that costs
arrangement.
around, yes, that costs around 4,000 bucks, but I'm like, it's worth losing the habit, and I'll be so glad because you will be a healthier person. So, but today, in 17 years of my experience, I have only had patients I can count on my fingers who have taken the offer, even though it's such a fantastic offer, because the addiction is not easy to live and leave until they have that willpower.
Right. That's amazing, actually, Dr. Maya, because something like this could motivate a person to actually quit, and nobody wants to do that again and again. And also, let me understand one thing from you. The whitening treatments that you have, or probably the treatments that is done for addictions, after addictions, to get rid of those stains, do they erode the enamel?
Earlier, there used to be treatments which used to actually strip off the enamel. So initially, you get a very good and bright smile, but it used to wear off over a period of 6 months to a year. But now they are not that invasive. Now, what they are tending to do is to pull out those stains. So they are much safer and much more long lasting. So earlier the results that used to be lost in 6 months to a year, we see retained even over a period of half a decade, which is a really good period of time. And if
Actually,
you're not having your chai, coffee and all those other, then it will be as like that only, for a longer time.